This is first map on Bakara, and I'm just going to show what happens. Right there, I killed that guy. And then he plants it. I think it's kind of weird how he sits in the spawn this whole round. I don't know how host bidding works, but I'm pretty sure you have to get their IP or something. That might be what he's doing, I'm not sure. Anyways, this whole round goes to waste. And then right here, well, this is about to happen. Alright, right here, at 2 seconds, we just disconnect. And now, I'm about to show you on his, he gets disconnected at the same exact time. This is my dubs partner. Now I'm gonna have to fast forward through the whole thing, and this is gonna take a while to load, so and I'm recording this with an iPhone, so obviously it's not going to be the best quality. I'm recording the TV screen, but it works for what I need. Alright, I'll just fast forward through this, and I'll show you. I'll slow it down where he disconnects at the same exact time after he stands in the spawn the whole time. That's why I think it's weird. And then they think that they won this map, which I don't get. We were losing 3-1 when it happened, which I don't know why they'd even do it. I mean, I don't know, but they did. I think they hit us both offline somehow. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain what they did, but they did something weird. It's going to take a while to fast forward through this. Alright, right here it happens again. I have a feeling that they shut the host either, like, cause look, he's just staying there the whole time. Like, I have a feeling, like, I don't know how, but somehow his Xbox shut off or something. Cause I don't get why we would all get kicked at the same exact time. Like, there's no way that would happen. So he had to have shut his Xbox off or something. Cause right here, watch. It stops at 2, exactly like mine. And this is my dubs partner, so they did something to make us lag out, or they shut their Xbox off or something. We disconnected somehow, and it was on their host, so they dropped host. That's our win on first map, and second map on village is in the other video.